Hey there, tea lovers! Today, we're going to explore a delightful and refreshing tea recipe that's perfect for those warm summer days. We're talking about apple, orange tea with cinnamon, cloves, and a pinch of black pepper. First, let's start with the apples. Peel and slice them into thin slices, and then add them to a pot of boiling water. Once the water has turned a golden hue, it's time to add the orange peels. Stir in some cinnamon, cloves, and a pinch of black pepper for that extra kick. Now, let's infuse some freshness into our tea by adding a few slices of orange. Allow the tea to simmer for a few minutes, and then strain it into a cup. Enjoy this aromatic and flavorful tea while it's still hot. That's it for today's recipe, folks. We hope you enjoy this apple, orange tea with cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper as much as we do. Don't forget to give it a try and let us know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!